Hey, how's it going, guys? This is just a quick demonstration on how you can declutter a transaction of a whale account using SolanaFM. As you can see, the front page always displays very important network metrics like price, TPS, and it's always great to have your wallet connected to the Explorer. Okay, we're going to pull up Birdeye, which is a trading data aggregator. Birdeye allows you to basically search large trades and also view profitable traders and trending tokens. What we are interested in is a wallet that has traded more than 2 million USD. Let's see what this guy did if we pull up the transaction here on SolanaFM. And can see this was a SOL transfer of almost 14,000 SOL. Let's dive a bit deeper by looking at the instructions and the accounts that were involved in this particular transaction. We see that there's actually Jito SOL involved. We can quickly switch to scan mode. Yeah, it seems like this account actually staked the 14,000 SOL and got Jito staked SOL in return. The different transaction tabs here also allow you to look at the SOL balance change, token balance change, and the different accounts that were also involved in this transaction. You can see here the signer of the transaction is the account itself. We are still in scan mode, and we will further deserialize some of the instructions of this particular transaction. We see that there was an equivalent amount of Jito staked SOL minted, which is an indicator that this account actually staked the SOL in return for Jito staked SOL. You can verify that by jumping into the instruction that contains the stake pool and see that the Jito stake pool was also involved in this transaction. Okay, let's get out of scan mode and dive deeper into the actual account. As you can see, this is a true whale account, has a net worth of almost 7.5 million. You can see the various tokens it has and the crazy amount of Jito staked SOL, likely stemming from the previous transaction. So I'm actually curious to keep tabs on this account, so I'm going to label it. I'm going to pick a simple name. I'm just going to name it whale account, but obviously you can pick your own name for any account that you label. I'm also going to add some tags to it to make it easier for me to identify the labeled account. I'm going to put staking because this account was involved in a large staking transaction, and also put a small reminder for me to drop this account a follow. As you may know, on SolanaFM you can actually follow and unfollow other accounts that you are interested in. Yeah, the tagging and labeling feature is something that you can be very creative with. This is really up to your own discretion to customize the tags and labels to make it easier for you to find and identify accounts. You can also add other custom tags like a large stake or large holdings, whatever suits your needs and whatever is easier for you. The key takeaway of having your own tags and labels is as you scan through the various transactions or transfers, you will actually see that the account that you labeled, as we labeled it whale account, as you can see here, will appear in the transaction history, making it easier for you to identify as you scan through the past transactions of this account. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this quick rundown on how to just pull up some simple data of a large whale transaction with the SolanaFM Explorer and using some of its features. If there are any other topics that interest you, be sure to let me know or reach out to me. I'll be looking forward to doing more tutorials on some of the features of SolanaFM. Thank you.